First Alert Weather with Brian Allworth is sponsored by St. Francis Healthcare System.
A good Friday morning. Still a pretty nice morning for us, although not quite as cool and certainly not as clear as it was yesterday morning as a weather system is approaching slowly from the west. In fact, our radar loop is showing a little speck or two of green. I don't think that's reaching the ground. But down here in the corner, there is some bona fide rain over Arkansas, which right now is actually moving toward the northwest, not toward us. But that's just parts of a system that's going to kind of sneak in today and tonight. So I guess the bottom line is a transition back to a more active pattern just in time for the weekend. Having said all that, it's still pretty nice outside this morning. We had a beautiful sunrise, lots of color with the high clouds. Current temps are in the 60s though. Not that it's going to be warm today, but it's not going to be quite as nice as it has been as we get more clouds, a few showers, and start to get a little bit more humidity too. 65 degrees right now, and yes, your weather app may show clear. That's just because the clouds are so high that the instruments can't pick up the clouds. They're too high. But we do have a look at all the rain in Arkansas. Rain and a few embedded thunderstorms. There's no severe weather here, no watches or warnings, just a bunch of rain and a little lightning. But this is the whole system that's going to move east into our area by late today and then kind of hang around tonight and tomorrow. So get ready for a return to wet weather after a beautiful dry week for us. So let's check the futurecast and see if we can get an idea of the timing. Still looks like this morning will be just fine. Mixture of clouds and sun, a lot of high clouds obviously. Southeast wind arrows. By about mid-afternoon we're starting to see a few light showers. Again, mostly over the hills of southeast Missouri, all the way from here west towards Springfield, but not a whole lot and certainly nothing heavy. But by this evening, we start to see a few heavier showers, maybe a thunder shower, especially over northwest Tennessee and the hills of southeast Missouri. And then tonight, they'll start to spread east. Tonight, tomorrow morning, rain, embedded thunderstorms. We'll check on the severe weather threat coming up, but it looks pretty low for us tonight and tomorrow. And then tomorrow, some morning rain and then kind of scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. And yes, we are forecasting some sunshine tomorrow. But yeah, so tomorrow a wetter day, but not wet all day everywhere, right? More scattered stuff. And then by Sunday morning, it's actually drying out a little bit as the system comes in from the west and we start to get some drier air from the northwest. So the best chance of rain is actually tonight and tomorrow, as you'll see coming up. In the meantime, for today, staying dry today in Illinois and Kentucky with increasing clouds, but a few showers as we just saw over the hills of southeast Missouri. Highs around 80-ish. Tonight, showers, a few thunderstorms, probably below severe limits, otherwise breezy, lows in the 60s to near 70. Tomorrow, a good chance of periods of showers and storms, at least scattered. And then on Sunday, a break, a little warmer and more humid, but highs in the mid-80s, just a tiny chance of a shower on Sunday. But showers and storms more likely for us on Monday, and maybe some strong storms. Another chance of stronger storms about Wednesday of next week. That's a day we'll have to watch. And then behind that system, it dries out a little bit for Thursday and Friday.